Welcome. In today's video, we'll walk you through a simple and effective way to view the groups you have in common with a contact on WhatsApp web using your PC. With the latest update, this feature is now more accessible than ever. Let's dive right in. First, open WhatsApp web on your computer. You can do this by navigating to web.whatsapp.com in your browser and logging into your account by scanning the QR code with your phone. Once you're logged in, all your chats will appear on the screen. Next, find the contact whose shared groups you want to view. Scroll through your chat list, or use the search bar at the top to locate their name quickly. Once you've found them, click on their chat to open the conversation. Now, look at the top of the chat window and click on the contact's name. This will open their contact info page, where you can find various details about them. Once you're in the contact info section, scroll down until you see a section labeled Groups in Common. Here, you'll find a complete list of all the groups that you and this contact share. Whether it's a work group, a family chat, or a hobby-related group, they'll all be displayed here for easy access. And that's it. In just a few steps, you can easily discover which groups you have in common with any contact on WhatsApp web. This feature is incredibly helpful for staying organized and quickly finding shared spaces with your friends or colleagues. If you found this guide useful, don't forget to share it with others who might need help navigating WhatsApp web. Thanks for tuning in today, and we'll see you next time with more tips and tricks.